Okay, so I have been missing a little bit for past 2 weeks. I have a video for you. I'm going to put it on tomorrow. It's going to be from the national BMW meeting. I had ride along with very good driver, Alexander Yazov, the Matrix. He's like, yeah, one of the best in Bulgaria. For this you're going to wait until tomorrow. Today I'm going to show you how to install a racing harness in your race car, drift car, E36, anything that has rear seats. We are not using harness bars or anything like this. This is why you should be able to do it on your own car. Not recommended anyways. Okay, so let's get with it. So the very first thing that we have are those bottom anchor points. They're going to be for the hip harness. They are attached to the bottom of the car with two of those. So you drill your car, mount those on the bottom, the eyeball bolt goes in here, and yep, you have your anchor point. On the rear anyways, we use the normal seat belt mounting points, so one here and one right here. They're like the toughest places that you can put on the stock car. I also have a strut bar, but I don't really recommend using it. It's too far back and it's going to be crooked, so yeah. Okay, so this is going to be, let's say, the left side of the harness. So we squeeze it through there. It's too tight. That's what she said. Okay, we put it in there. Then, because it's on the left side, the harness needs to be under an X. So we put it on the left hook. Now we have the right side. So we throw that a bit there. And we put it on the left hook, a bit under an angle anyways. And the harness makes a nice clean X. With most of the harnesses, you're going to have to put the buckle itself from the right side, because it has the two openings on the top, just one on the bottom, because it's usually a buckle for a 5-point harness. We have 4 points at the moment. Okay, in order to get it a little bit under an angle here, slide in, is just that, go it like this. No door handles, quite a problem. Right, so we have it here, like this. We have this side down, other side same way around. Going back. And there we go. Okay, so we have the harnesses properly adjusted now. Not really much movement. How to take off the harness. You just pull the buckle and you're out of the seat.